This video is going to be a little departure from the normal. It is a recap on some work that I've been completing over the past few weeks on the 59 Buick. I took a little bit different editing and filming styles when I was doing this video because I expected to, I don't know, showcase more what I was doing, but then it was just all metal work and it's just kind of boring. So there's a lot of time lapses. But we knock out the underneath of the 59 Buick finally in this video. So hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know. I used the fiberglass reinforced body filler just to cover the seams where I welded. Now I'm just gonna hit it with some regular body filler. So the first thing I had to do was cover the metal seams where I did the metal work with some fiberglass reinforced body filler. It's a little more durable and it's supposed to be waterproof. And then I covered that with some direct to metal body filler so I could smooth out the bottom of the car for when I put Raptor Liner on it. It wouldn't look so so welded on, for lack of a better word. So after that, I took some 2-part epoxy primer and I just covered the body filler in all the bare metal because I just wanted to protect it. This is 2K, so it would probably go over bare metal, but I wasn't sure. So I went ahead and epoxied all the seams and everything that I had to put seam sealer on. And I don't know that I got any footage of me putting seam sealer on, but I seam sealed all the cracks too after that. Of course, after that, I jumped to the Firewall, had some grinding and welding to finish up there. Body worked it smooth, hit it with some primer. So later on, I can go back with a black textured paint, not as extreme as Raptor Liner probably, but like a satin black, so that it all matches the inner fender wells and stuff that I've already completed. originally I thought I was just gonna have to patch the existing passenger side rocker, and then when I got into it, I realized I had to replace the whole rocker. So that's what I got into after the Firewall, before I could do the underneath of the car. It took a little longer than I thought it would. I had to do a bunch of the inner structure as well as the outer rocker, but I got it done, made it happen, and we got the underneath of the car sprayed in the end. But it was just it was a journey compared to what I expected, but it was worth it. It always is. So I still have to wrap up the metal work. I went ahead and put a rocker in it. I've got a little more grinding and filing to do here. Patched up what needed done. All that's underneath the sill plate, so it's not too crazy. Now I think I'm ready to flip it over, up on its side rather, and hit it with some Raptor Liner, finally. All right, so I'm gonna hit the underneath of the Buick with some Raptor Liner now. It's just a cheap kit that you get on Amazon, a gallon kit. I'll probably end up using all 4 quarts because it's a pretty big floor. I need to zip over to Dinosaur Land real quick, so let's go ahead and take a break and do that, and then we'll wrap this video up. I had to slide by Dinosaur Land real quick to grab my pole jack. I left it here when I was working on this octopus. I jacked that leg up a little bit, which I got to redo because I did it real quick, and it needs to be just a little higher, I think. Because I'm not super tall, and you know, I have to duck a little bit underneath of it. But I'm gonna walk the park real quick before I get back to the shop. It's very windy, very windy. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this wind's not too much. Let's just walk around the park together a little bit, and then we'll wrap this thing up. It didn't come out too bad, but a gallon kit was not enough. I'm a little light in some spots, so I'm gonna have to get another gallon kit. But not bad, considering what I started with. So I know that one's a little different, and I appreciate anybody who's made it this far watching it. Next week, I should be able to get this thing down on the chassis, and we can start, you know, finishing up a couple little things and start some body work and start putting it together and do like a real project on it. It'll get more exciting than just doing the bottom of the floors for, you know, a month. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. More stuff coming up soon. I've got more projects I'm gonna start doing videos on, so I can put out more videos during the week, you know, besides just the Plymouth videos that everybody likes. So appreciate you guys watching. On to the next one.